Take your GoPro and make sure the cover to the USB slot is off. Slide your GoPro straight back into the stabilizer, away from the USB. It's a delicate piece. Carefully slide your GoPro into the USB slot. Turn your GoPro on and set it to your desired shooting mode. Press the record button. Then press the red power button on the stabilizer and wait for stabilization. The stabilizer is sensitive and does not like to be touched while on. So to change the mode or press record, make sure you turn it off first. If it doesn't stabilize properly, then reset your stabilizer. We have another tutorial video on how to do it. Now let's run through some of the basics of using the stabilizer and how to hold it. This axis will give your stabilizer the best stabilization. The stabilizer is meant to adjust to your natural movements, not harsh jerking motions. The stabilizer will stay steady when you push it forward, but once you reach a certain angle, a panning feature will kick in. We'll get to that in a little bit. To avoid the pan feature, it's best to hold the stabilizer sideways and rotate your screen. Holding the handle sideways, parallel to the ground, is the best way to shoot while walking and running. However, you may still experience some shake. Just like all stabilizers, you yourself, the filmmaker, want to stay as steady as possible to achieve the shot you want. And keep in mind, you'll always get best stabilization on wheels. To get those high or low shots, twist the handle as you go down. Then twist it back as you go for the high-angled shots. As mentioned earlier, the stabilizer has two panning features that give you a chance to be creative with your shots. To activate the first panning feature, hold your stabilizer upright and push it forward, leveling out the handle. Using this method gives the stabilizer a little delay while panning, giving you the smoothest shot possible. The second position for panning is the locking position. Twist the handle 180 degrees so the handle is upside down. Then adjust your hand, leveling out the handle. The stabilizer is now in a locked position. To adjust your shot, just pull the handle upside down. Wherever your GoPro is facing, that will be your locked position. Point at another subject, then level out the handle. Remember, you can always use the tilt to adjust the frame as well.
Hey everybody, now we want to show you the P3. P3 is the 3-axis gimbal designed for a smartphone. Also too is like the G3, includes 3 axes. First one, second one, and third one. Have the same system, same handle, with the same joystick. The good thing with the P3 and the G3 is we can change the handle. Just press the button, release, and now we can connect with the P3. Simple like that. Okay. The way to connect the device is also too simple. Here I have one extender. You can use with any mobile phone, bigger, smaller. This is the Samsung S6 Edge. We're gonna connect. Simple like this one. It's okay. The same power button. Now the 3 axes are working. Some functions. Tilt control. 1, 2, 3. Can control. Pan. Tilt. At the same time. Or if you want to put lower, 1, 2, 3, 4. The camera going down. To follow some pads, some skateboard, and you can walk, you can run in, and you can move the third axis. You're gonna restart again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He just started at the beginning. P3 and the G3 include this hole. This hole is for adapt any selfie stick. If you wanna put in higher position, you just can put here and start with that one. And also with the G3, you're gonna use your GoPro and you want to follow, and if you want to check the device here, you can put the adapter and also you can adapt the mobile phone to check the GoPro.
Cut.